Richie Dotson again from Chateau de Brie, aka my office, my shop. I have to find something so I can tell you what the proper FON is. This is a 1930 all original 5-string with the Coke bottle headstock and the FON. This is a mighty small and rare batch of these. Daggone it. What's wrong with me? 9527. This one's 9527-10. They're awfully hard to find. It's an original 5-string. It has all its pieces, parts, pedigree, and it's complete with a Mastertone label for a style one. It is a hoop banjo, and it's got so much power and dryness. This thing peels paint and is still dark and dry. I love a 2-to-1 machine. I could play this all day and not get anything else done, and I'm mighty tempted. This is not for sale. Well, it was for sale until about 10 minutes ago. So looks like we sealed the deal on this one, and the guy's driving down from the mountains as we speak to pick it up. They don't last long when you get them, and I kind of already had a short list of folks who love these, including myself. My safe is full, I'm just saying. But I had to share this with you. All original, every piece and part, original pip, original nut, tension hoop, everything's in great condition. There's, of course, some wear. If you were born in 1930, you'd have a little wear on you as well, I imagine, and that's just fine. So, original Coke bottle headstock, dead stock, friction peg, pip, never been spiked. So these are awfully rare. And no tone ring, and that doesn't seem to matter. It sounds about as good as any flathead I've had in my hand. At the risk of boring you, so much power and dark, crunchy personality. Gosh, this thing is good. Man, love seeing these. Appreciate y'all watching. If you like these videos, and we're sure to get some more really cool old banjos. We don't get too many all original 5-strings in here. This thing is rare as hen's teeth, as they say, and man, forgive this is so straw dry outside that my hair just said, you know, I don't care what you try to do to me. Be sure and please like this video and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like seeing these type of banjos and this type of comment. This type of content, and please leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic day. I appreciate each and every one of you. Bye-bye.